Good morning, people. Papa sent me an alley bug here. I got home off vacation and I had two or three, would you please help me? This Singer, old Singer sewing machine, the lady that brought it said she'd got it from her grandmother and she wanted me to please try to help it. I'm looking on the back side of the cabinet here and I see that's kind of bugged out along here. So I'm gonna glue it. Take a brush, you dilute it into water, take a brush, and just kind of do this. I'm gonna show you how it cleans. Because the dirt is ground into here hard. Cleans and waxes and penetrates the wood. So basically, once you start cleaning it out, now, see the dirt on the brush? Take your good clean rag. It's coming off. It might take 3 or 4 times. It's been setting up for years. Now once I go over the whole machine like that, I'll come back with some basic watercolors. And all these little skid marks, I'll touch them up. I'll blend them in.
Okay.
And down.
Or like with a paint marker or something?
Yeah. Now right here, the veneer is moved. What I'll do is, I'll use some putty and clean it. And then I'll blend it in. Once I get it clean and back together, the major malfunction is right here. This is where the fun's gonna start, trying to repair that. And once I get that repaired, that's not as bad as I thought, really. Oh, it peeled pretty bad right there. But once I get that back together and get it cleaned, because it's filthy, I can put the machine back in this thing, and I think it's gonna be all right. I'm not gonna try to refinish it. It's in too good a shape to refinish, because to me it takes away from the appeal.
Like the antique charm of it?
Yeah, look at that.
Oh, wow.
It's dirty. It needs cleaning bad.
That looks way different though. Just after the clean, it looks totally different.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Looks almost brand new right there.
When it dries, it'll be a fine looking machine. But basically that's it. I just gotta figure out how to get this put back together and get it cleaned up. Now once it's totally clean, I'll take these hinges off and I'll polish them. And I'll take paste wax, old Johnson's paste wax, and wax the devil out of it. And once that's done, it'll be good to go for another 50, 100 years.
Oh, wow.
But so far, that's what we had on that.
Is that cast iron?
Huh?
Is that cast iron?
Is that what? Ben?
Is it cast iron? The leg?
Oh yeah. See, the same as this. And this is the old Singers. That's the old pedal type Singers.
Oh, wow.
But I don't have the cabinet, so I made a workbench out of it.
Okay.
Now I've got that's a complete machine there. That's gonna be totally complete. But it's electric. It is not pedal. So it's not as old as this one. Okay, I got it back together glued. I took this paste wax on this board right here with my finger, not a rag. And I put it real thick on one side, real thick. Simple reason, I did not want this Gorilla Glue to tie into it. If it sticks to this machine, I got a problem. So I waxed it real good, took my clamp, put it on there and pulled it. And as you can see, I took this little thin blade knife and I worked it up in all the cracks. Now, this Gorilla Glue expands like crazy, which is the reason I'm using it. It'll expand up in all the cracks, gets a better hold. But I've been wiping and it's still expanding. Anyway, when it dries, I can sand it off. I just hope it don't stick. Man, if it does, I got a problem.
Stick to what? The clamp?
If it sticks to the body, if that
Oh.
wood sticks to the body, I'm gonna have a problem getting it off.
Oh, okay.
And I thought I had greased real good, but I see it's oozing ever worse. Oh well, that's what I got. Anyway, when that dries, the next thing I'm gonna try to accomplish is go after these hinges. The hinges are in pretty bad shape. The machine is heavy. And I know what's happening. When they would take and open this to let the machine come up, they were dropping it against these hinges. Or either somebody put some weight on it. So it's gonna take to get that back in shape. Now other than that, all this thing needs is a cleaning. Turn it off just a second. The major malfunction on this machine is this drawer is tore all to pieces. It's gonna have to be rebuilt and taken care of, but that can be done. Now, the next thing on the project is this. The machine is heavy, and over a period of time, it broke out the hinges. That can be fixed. This can be fixed. When I get that fixed, then the machine will go back in here, it folds down inside, and this lays over.
Wow.
This is the machine that goes in there. It also needs cleaning desperately. You can tell by looking. And I need to repair the case and put it back in there on the case.
When you put it back in, will it work?
It should work. If you can find, I'd be scared to hook it up though. Look how the old wires are. All that can be repaired. Every bit of it can be repaired.
Will you do a video on this once you put the, will you
Yeah.
video putting the machine back in there?
Oh yeah.
On the finished product?
Oh,
Ooh, that's
yeah.
a pretty machine.